3, 2, 1.
Which Greek god punished Prometheus for stealing fire? The answer is B. Zeus. Which book contains the character Gully Jinsen? The answer is D. The Horse's Mouth. Plants derive what from soil? The answer is B. Life-sustaining substances. What property of water best helps aquatic life survive in lakes during the winter? The answer is C. Water is less dense as a solid than as a liquid. The word dozen usually refers to a group of how many objects? The answer is A. 12. What vegetable grows under the ground and is often roasted? The answer is B. Potato. La Primavera, or Spring, is Concerto No. 1 in E major, which is part of the Four Seasons violin concertos. Who composed the Four Seasons? The answer is D. Antonio Vivaldi. Which psychologist is known for his work on self-efficacy and social cognitive theory? The answer is C. Albert Bandura. What is the name of the first moon discovered orbiting a planet other than Earth? The answer is A. Titan. What is the origin of the proverb, "He who asks is a fool for 5 minutes, but he who does not ask remains a fool forever"? The answer is B. It is a Chinese proverb. Who broke the record for longest underwater free dive without fins? The answer is A. William Trubridge. If the number of trees significantly decreases, the atmosphere's level of which gas might significantly increase? The answer is B. Carbon dioxide. What does Peter offer to Lois when he worked as a hooker on the TV show Family Guy? The answer is B. A Cleveland steamer. Who sings the theme song for The Lion King? The answer is D. Whitney Houston. What is the color of a koala's blood? The answer is A. Blue. Which Shakespearean tragic hero had a run-in with cannibals? The answer is C. Othello. What kitchen item is used to beat or mix ingredients? The answer is C. Whisk. Change in momentum in an object is equivalent to what other measurement? The answer is C. Impulse. Which of these are inherited instead of acquired? The answer is B. Hike. The subducting oceanic plate does what as it re-enters the mantle? The answer is A. Melts. Which country has the highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest? The answer is D. Nepal. What famous rapper released the song Dear Mama in 1995? The answer is C. Tupac. Who designed the Pantheon in Rome? The answer is A. Galileo Galilei. What did the CERN laboratory in Geneva, Switzerland, produce for the first time in 1996? The answer is D. Antimatter. Which is not an axiom of Euclidean geometry? The answer is D. Axiom of parallels. What's a common name for school notebooks? The answer is B. Loose-leaf notebooks. In which language Prospero Anno Nuovo is used to wish Happy New Year? The answer is B. Spanish. What is the most commonly worn hat in Africa? The answer is C. Fez. What is the largest structure made of Lego bricks? The answer is D. Eiffel Tower. What appliance cooks food quickly using microwaves? The answer is C. Microwave. Peter Graves played himself in what 1999 horror movie also starring Chris Kattan? The answer is D. House on Haunted Hill. Which fruit is used to make lychee martini? The answer is D. Lychee. In 1980, William Friedkin released Cruising, a controversial movie about a serial killer who targets gay men during the 1970s. What actor starred as Officer Steve Burns in this movie? The answer is A. Al Pacino. Many observatories are built on high mountains to avoid interference from what? The answer is D. The atmosphere. Who was the first emperor of Japan? The answer is A. Jimmu. What is released from the body during ejaculation? The answer is A. Sperm. What is the padded vest worn by American football quarterbacks called? The answer is D. Pad. What do most amphibians breathe with as larvae? The answer is A. Gills. What is the name of the demon haunting Dana's apartment in the 1984 science fiction comedy Ghostbusters? The answer is A. Seoul. When flagellated sperm must swim to the egg, sexual reproduction requires the presence of what substance? The answer is D. Water. When the hydrogen is nearly used up, the star can fuse which element into heavier elements? The answer is A. Helium. What is the connecting piece of a sperm packed with? The answer is D. Mitochondria. What vegetable is the main ingredient in the traditional Colombian soup called ajiaco? The answer is B. Potato. Which of these U.S. presidents did not attend Yale University? The answer is B. John F. Kennedy. What is the name of the state in which atoms share electrons? The answer is D. Covalent. In 1836, German-Dutch farmers in South Africa moved northeast through South Africa to establish a colony. What did they call this march? The answer is A. The Great Trek. Which character is not correctly matched with the ballet? The answer is C. Swanhilda Sidrella. When performing anaerobic exercise, your muscles work against what? The answer is A. Resistance. What vegetable is used to make kimchi? The answer is A. Cabbage. Which inventor gave us the sewing machine?